Good evening, all. Let me make short and simple. Today is a very important topic. The topic is related to, of course, the COVID 19. Sir, everybody is talking about COVID 19 and everybody is trying to define the COVID 19 and the COVID 19 symptoms and the COVID 19 curing and COVID 19 protocols and everything is happening, sir. What you are going to say in you, sir? It's very important. My deep knowledge says everything. I studied everything in deep and explaining to you all. So kindly give a much attention to my words and listen to me. See, it's $1 million trained brain who is taking quick and the moment action to recover you and your family and the society than the emotional heart who is keep on crying and worrying for you and your family. It's all about dramatic, mega serial by seeing cinema. Emotion is coming and emotion is overfilling that emotional heart that you are caring for others. Okay, so it is all about brain. It's $1 million trained brain is far better than the emotional heart who is keep on crying for others. Brain matters a lot. It's very important about brain than heart, dear. For corona, for COVID-19, brain should stand very high than the emotional heart. Again, I'm saying it's all about brain than heart. Neutralized mind, a stable mind, take a very good decision. And everybody is usually asked this question: is corona a deadly disease? உயிர்கொல்லி நோயா? Life threatening disease? Yeah, of course. For the one who has not at all take any action internally as well as externally. So what is internally? Internally means generating immunity. Sometimes people may ask, so you are not taking care of your child. Sometimes you are taking less care of the child. You are not ordering, you are not compulsing your child to wear mask and having social distance, not allowing to play with any child. You are so liberal with your child. I said, now corona is coming, and after that corona father will come, corona mother will come. Now our body should be very immune enough to fight against any disease which is coming to us. That is what I'm preparing for my daughter. Internal strength is very important. A high immunity system is very important. That is very habitual thing. I inculcated this habit from the very beginning. Now only they are saying that taking sprout and drumstick leaf and what to say, the kapasur water and everything. Now they are saying from the very beginning. If not corona is coming, if the corona is coming, he is taking the same. So internal part is very important, and next only the external part, wearing mask, social distancing, that all. So corona is very life threatening disease, one who is not at all taking this thing. We are saying quite often, we are taking the same, sir, but we are in the war. We should do regularly because this is a new normal situation. Daily we should do this. We are saying, sir, we are doing the same, sir, but regularly, are we doing regularly? That is very important. Do that very regularly. And corona is after all disease, and even it is not disease for the one who is very rich immune. For me, if you ask me, no, it is a doctor. Corona is a doctor. Corona is a merely doctor for me. It tests my immunity level, how far I am good. ஆரோக்கியம் உள்ளவும் பொழைச்சிப்பான், வலிமை உள்ளவும் பொழைச்சிப்பான். And also my friend advised me, and his father has admitted in hospital and recovering right now, and he's telling in beginning everything is easily sorted out. If there is any indication, you just go for a hospital. Believe in government hospital, they are doing wonder. I'm really supporting GH. They are taking a quick action. You need not go to government hospital, but you can go for a center. In Madurai there is a Lady Doe College and there are some center. In that center they are giving a proper not proper attention and as well as a correct tablet. Okay, any indication in beginning it can be sorted very easily. When you delay, no, there only the suffocation is coming. In beginning it is very easy da. Really I am speaking, when there is a corona is a very after all disease. When you are showing this problem to the doctor very immediately in the very beginning, after all seriously you can recover very fast. And also vaccination is very good. People are telling wrong about vaccination. Actually vaccination slashes the problem. For example, any problem is coming, no, it slashes 50%. If people are saying, sir, it is wrong, the vaccination is working wrongly, sir, maybe 1/10. Of course, any allopathy, any tablet you can take, 1/10 is happening right now. Not right now, from the very beginning also, no. Risk is always there. But my personal suggestion is take vaccination. My more personal suggestion is before vaccination, you generate your immunity. என்ன சார் எல்லாம் சொல்கிற டைலாக் தானே இம்யூனிட்டின்றது, டெய்லி பண்ணுறோமா, ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. சி சார் சைல்டுக்கு வருமா சார்? நோ, பிகாஸ் lungs are in small size. 8 to 10 years of age, up to 10 years of age, lungs are in a small size, and there is no detection of more to there is no detection of impact level of COVID-19 in child, less only for the child. And youngster, yes, youngster also suffocating, they are dying because they are not at all taking enough vegetables, and they are taking only CFR, chicken fried rice. Sir, you are saying, sir, there are some vegetables in the chicken fried rice. I am not talking about the side vegetables, the main vegetables, drumstick leaf and onion, that regularly we should take. And also today's youngster, no, they are not going for a college, they are staying inside home. They used to have smoke, and they used to have alcohol, and sorry to say this, many of them is doing masturbation. Masturbation really reduces your immunity. That's very important. I hope you are all mature, that is what I am talking about. If you do the same, no, why you are doing such nonsense? Because empty's brain is devil's workshop. Empty's brain is devil's workshop. Do something, have some knowledge, and rarely you can go for all what to say, self enjoyment, everything. But regularly you do, or 2 days once you are doing, no, you lost your immunity, and you will put yourself danger and your family danger, the society danger. Empty's brain is devil's workshop. Kindly listen to this. And the last my statement is, it is $1 million trained brain who is taking quick and momentum action to recover you and your family than emotion heart who is keep on crying. அந்த இதே என்ன செய்யும் தெரியுமா? இது எடுத்தாலும் யாருக்கா பிரச்சனை அழுதுகிட்டே தான் இருக்கும். அதை காட்டிலும், அதுக்காக இதே நான் தப்புன்னு சொல்லலை, இதே லைக் பண்ண வேண்டியதான். அதை காட்டிலும் ரொம்ப பெஸ்ட்னா என்னென்னா பிரெயின் தான். அந்த பிரெயினை நம்ம கரெக்டாக ட்ரெயின் பண்ணணும். ஹவு டு ட்ரெயின் சார்? இதுக்கெல்லாம் கேப்டன் யார் சார்? இதுக்கெல்லாம் கேப்டன் யாருன்னு கேட்டால் ஆசனாஸ், தியானம், meditation. Do it daily. So meditation panna, by doing meditation, sir, we can recover from the corona. Yeah, certainly. By doing meditation, we will get neutral mind. We will take quick action. Brain says everything in a what to say, in all the situation. Brain certainly saves in all the situation. Worship brain. Sharp your knowledge. Brain is very important. Train your brain than the emotional heart. Your brain saves everyone. Seriously listen to me. How to train your brain, sir? By doing meditation daily. Train the brain. Thank you. Love you all.